Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to solve problems using distance, rate, and time. There's three formulas that you need to know. The first one is distance equals rate times time. The other one is time equals distance divided by rate. The other one is rate equals distance divided by time. So, they're going to give you problems and you have to figure out what formula to use and how to solve the problem. So the first one I have up here, it says, how long will it take a seal swimming at a speed of 8 miles per hour to travel 52 miles? So how long means I want to know the time, basically. So I'm going to use the time formula, T equals distance divided by rate. Now, rate is also miles per hour, or it'll say travel, so on and so forth, or it will actually say rate too. So we need to figure out T. So D is the distance, so that's 52. So T equals 52 divided by 8. All you're going to do is divide. 8 goes into 52 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. When we subtract, we get 4. 8 cannot go into 4, so we need to put a decimal, which we bring straight up, and put a 0. And bring the 0 down. Now 8 goes into 45 times. So it will take 6.5 hours for the seal to travel 52 miles. The next one, a dragonfly traveled at a rate of 35 miles per hour for 2.5 hours. What distance did the dragonfly travel? So we need to use the distance formula, D equals rate times time. So we know the rate is 35 and we know the time is 2.5 hours. So when we do 35 times 2.5, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So when we add, which I'm going to write over here, it's 875, but it's not because we have to put the decimal. So there's one place. So it travels 87.5. And it's miles because it was miles per hour. So that's how you would know to label. The next one is a race car travels 1,212 kilometers in 4 hours. What is the car's rate of speed? So we're using the rate formula, R equals D divided by T. So we know that the distance is 1,212 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 212. 4 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 12 3 times. 12 minus 12 is 0. 4 cannot go into 1, so we put a 0. When we subtract, we get 1, bring down the 2, 12. 4 goes into 12 3 more times. So the car's rate of speed would be 303 kilometers per hour. And that's how you would write that.